We're going to set a record, break a record that was set by a guy in the Netherlands. I'm getting really jazzed by looking at records from around the world. I've already broken one from Israel. I'm about to break another one from the Netherlands. And the record he set a while ago, I think just last week as a matter of fact, was 28 t-shirts inserted into a microwave. In honor of this record, I'm going to wear one of my more provocative t-shirts. This is a really cool one I picked up here in the United States. It's Homeland Security, fighting terrorism since 1492. Very provocative, as I said. Some of you may recognize Geronimo in that photo.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm putting the first 15 in. That's 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We now have 27 in there. The record's 28. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. We now have 33, which beats the old record by 5. I could probably put more, but I don't want to discourage the competition. We're going to go ahead and close it, and we'll make sure that it's all the way closed because we'll start the microwave. I'm going to turn it off in a big hurry, however. New world record, 33 t-shirts in a microwave.